This is Norbert once again, and most often these days I receive messages like what is affiliate marketing and what is Grodital I want to start and all that. Now in today's video I'm going to show you how to start affiliate marketing on Grodital. Now before I start, let me break down affiliate marketing for you. Affiliate marketing is simply promoting a product and earning a commission. The product you are promoting are not your own, right? You're just picking somebody's product and you're promoting this product and you're making commissions on this. And Grodital, on the other hand, is the platform that is going to be providing you with all this product that you're going to be promoting. You get it? Now the products you are promoting here are digital products, and digital products are in the form of courses and ebooks. Now how do you get your Grodital account to start working or to start as an affiliate? That is what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. So what it means is that you are not going to create your own product, you are just going to leverage on the product on Grodital and start making money out of it. Just imagine not having your own product but you're making money out of it. Let's go. Watch this video to the end and follow this account and drop a comment in the comment section. So right after watching this video, all you need to do is to click on my name. Once you click on my name, then you will come straight to my bio. Now in my bio, what I want you to do is to look out for my link, right? Because I told you I'll be posting or I'll be dropping the link right in my bio. So when you come to my bio, after reading from the digital marketing coach, work online and get paid daily, everything about me, you're going to see a link right in my bio. So all you need to do is to just tap on the link, right? So once you tap on the link, it will load. Okay, so you can see now it has brought you to my landing page. I just created a course recently, Zero to TikTok Blueprint. You can click on it and get that course for yourself. It's really going to help you. But that is not why I'm even here. Let's go straight to how to register your account on Grodital. So you see, when you scroll through the link, you're going to see 0 to 10k TikTok Blueprint, which is my new course. I already spoken about that. You can see let's chat on Telegram. So when you click on this Telegram, you'll be able to reach out to me. If you want to join any of my WhatsApp trainings, you can just tap on WhatsApp, you go there straight. But the most important thing I want us to do here in this particular video is to click on Grodital access to TNO. So when you click on Grodital access to TNO, because you want to get your course, now you see that it is loading, right? Let's allow it to load. Okay, so you are trying to get access to your affiliate account, right? Don't forget this affiliate account also comes as a course. Good. So you can see we are here. So what we need to do at this particular page is to scroll up, move up like this, right? You can see some people's testimonies and all that. Testimonials are all here, right? Just move up to where until you get access to checkout now. This very red button, right? So you're going to click on this red button here. So once you tap on it, you allow it to load. Okay, so tap on it. So I'm tapping on it again, and I allow it to load. Good. Now when it loads, you see that I'm at a very page, or this particular page, where I need to fill some forms. So you can see over here I have enter your full name, enter your email address, phone number, country, and all that. So when it comes to the email you are going to use must be very active, right? You don't have to use just any email at all. Use your active email. So you just have to enter your full name, enter your email here, which is your active email, and then enter your phone number. Then you choose your country, right? So if you are in any of these countries, especially for example Ghana, you just have to choose it. Then you choose the corresponding gateway. So if you're in Ghana, you can use either Kora Ghana or Haptel Ghana, right? And any other country, if you're in Nigeria, you can just use Kora Naira or whatever. You understand? Yeah. So all the payment gateways are here. Don't forget, you're going to be getting this account at a cost, and that is 189 Ghana cedis. So once you enter all your details and you're sure everything is accurate, just tap on pay now, right? Once you click on pay now, then you proceed. You see a mobile money prompt to be sent to you. After you confirm payment and you're done, then you just have to take a screenshot of that. Then you text me on Telegram. You see in the link, you're going to see chat me on Telegram. Let me go back. Then you come and use this particular site. The second link here, let's chat on Telegram. You click on it, you come to my DM, send me a screenshot that you're done creating your account and you need some form of guidance. Then I'll show you what to do, how to activate your account, how to log in successfully, and how to start using it. All right, so this is what you need to do. Thank you.